Normal would be spraying about 80 to 90 homes a day. Right now we're going at about 230 homes a day, trying to keep up with the demand of everybody calling to get some relief for the mosquitoes.
The East Baton Rouge Mosquito Abatement and Rodent Control is unseasonably busy, battling mosquitoes buzzing around homes and backyards, and breeding in dark, damp areas and along open water.
So different mosquitoes love different types of weather. So in the summertime, we have different breeds of mosquitoes. So the mosquitoes that we deal with right now, they enjoy the cooler weather, but they don't come out at the amount that they're coming out right now.
We see these seasonal patterns like this, but this time around, the mosquitoes are about twice as abundant as we typically see them.
Dr. Kevin Cayuet is the director and medical entomologist at the St. Tammany Parish Mosquito Abatement.
What is going on with our mosquito population? It is proliferating.
It is, but with this cold front, it should be plunging pretty soon for everybody. What we think happened is the record low rainfall and very hot and dry summer created a situation where we didn't have very much water, particularly in the coastal marshes of Lake Pontchartrain and Lake Maurepas basins.
In October, a tropical storm system with easterly wind gusts dumped rain, flooding marshes on the New Orleans North Shore and around Lake Maurepas, the second largest lake in Louisiana. This created an ideal breeding ground for mosquitoes.
And it's creating a breeding site on side of the lake itself where mosquitoes are going in, breeding, and we're getting like hundreds of thousands a night.
Now, what type of mosquito are we talking about? Because there are many different types.
Right, so right now we're dealing with a mosquito called a vexan and another one called a nigropappus. The nigropappus is a giant, dark looking, almost look black to the naked eye, and the vexan is a little light brown.
In East Baton Rouge Parish, homeowners can call Mosquito Abatement to request a free inspection around the home and the spraying of insecticide. These house calls are part of a mosquito-fighting arsenal, attacking the proliferating pest during the day and night from the ground up.
So this is one of two airplanes that we have at Mosquito and Rodent Control here. Right now we're trying to spray about 20,000 acres a week. We have two pilots. All the conditions have to be favorable to go up to spray. We have a helicopter on the way as well.
So in your mosquito fighting arsenal, you have two planes,
right,
a helicopter,
right, nice spray trucks, and a drone, and the whole day crew. We have, right now on our day crew, we have about 15 Inspector Ones that's going out to spray the 230 some odd homes that we spray.
Louisiana has 60 different species of mosquitoes that breed at different times of the year and under different conditions.
So mosquitoes take advantage of when the conditions are just right for them. We need to think of it that way. This summer, we had some record heat. And you think, oh, it's warmer. We understand there must be more mosquitoes when it's hot. But it was so hot that it was actually too hot for the mosquitoes this summer. Those temperatures are not good for mosquitoes. It actually lowers their life cycle, their lifespan. And so we saw that all of a sudden, once the temperatures got a little bit more moderate, the mosquitoes were active again. Their optimal temperature range is probably between 68 degrees and 85 degrees.
Insecticide resistance is an ongoing issue with many species of mosquitoes.
When we go out and spray, we bring mosquitoes back in the lab and we test them. So we have traps that we go around the parish and we collect all these different mosquitoes and we test them for resistance in the fields.
We enter the insectary, a mosquito lab where workers test different insecticides to see which ones work best.
This is where we house our mosquitoes. So we have a population of Culex quinquefaciatus mosquitoes here. And what we do here is we raise the mosquitoes here so we can have when we do a cage test, we can test mosquitoes that are 100% unsusceptible to chemicals.
Homeowners can do their part to control the mosquito population by inspecting their homes to eliminate places with standing water and dark, damp spaces.
So both temperatures and the amount of sunlight in a day are triggers for mosquitoes to do what we call estivate, which is just when an insect goes dormant essentially over the winter.